Next is that piece of crap. Okay. Alright. These connectors are really bad. They clean up real fast, real easy. Get out of it. What are you doing? Just a little tiny bit. That'll keep the gremlins out. Comes with new keys, keychain. Okay, make sure all your terminals are straight and none of them are bent. At the top. Second. Okay. Test it out before you plug it back in. Perfect. That's it, guys. That's how easy it is. Can't make it any more difficult. Sorry. Brand new key. Put it in there. All right, Winston, watch out. That easy. See ya.